Odiative West na kwachiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kandi shani birizomwe bazyo elizoba ne 2019 byo kwa 8:2025 kandi nisha kubanza nebyijamtwe kundagace nisha kubayisyaho amakuru Agacencwire ombwijire Omgacencwire kireki President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yashababi n'amataka mace okwesasira okhinga majani.
From the beginning was seen as a low-value crop, but which will only make money if you do it on a big scale.
Abanyamyogo mu NRM bashoze kishani cha President Museveni ekirije kukoresebwa omukaruru ka 2026.
There are quite a lot of details about NRM that you cannot easily see.
Intaro z'amatako mu Ruhoima hariho fuzi abashobanzirirwe bwanyuma yo kumanyisibwa ngo bari mu cyapa cy'abandi.
Ibajyani basensa amabare gahadikowa mu kibanja cy'intu.
Mbabazi Charity na kwachiro makuru Agacencwire kandi nkaga ombwijire. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yarabra abatura bina mataka mace okwesasira okurondera entasya omukhinga amataka. President Museveni yagambe byerizo yaba inabatura kandi abahinji b'amajani nabakamabaza factories z'amajani kurwo mu Bushenye Mpango, Toro na Zombo kandi yababuganira mu Chai Bushenye.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yarabura abaturo ku rugo myanya iri kuhingwamwe amajani abina amataka mace okuronde kinde cyo kukoraho bit kutari kuhinga kwa majani.
Now recently I was with Bishop Kalisti with other people who were talking about something else, but I checked with them. When the prices of tea were good, how much were you getting per acre? They told me that somebody would get 5 million per acre, and that if you deducted the costs, you would remain with 2.5 million net per acre per annum. Yes, but you can see that's a lot of money. If you have got 10 acres, that's 25 million net. 100 acres, 250 million. 1,000 acres, 2.5 billion. You could get 2 billion from tea when the prices were still good. But now, so from the beginning, tea should have been grown by the medium or large scale people, not small ones.
President Museveni yashobora habwenja tebekaniso kubuganaho abahinji b'amajani okurugombyanga nkabushenye Mpango, Toro, Zombo hamwe na nahandi.
Is whether the disease, this collapse of price is permanent or temporary. If it is temporary, then we should persist, knowing that it will recover. But also, I have been hearing that yes, the price has come down, but it has come down only for the tea of Uganda and some other countries. Why? Because the harvesting practices are not good. There is a problem about we are not using enough fertilizers and so on. If we do all those, will the price recover? If we do all those, will the price recover?
Omukoro ogu gwahikwaho na Minister w'ubuhinji n'oburisa Honorable Frank Tumwebaze na nabanda bebembezi.
So Your Excellency, what we are doing now, that we have drafted tea management guidelines and regulations, which are before the Attorney General. When they are out, we'll bring them to Cabinet. Those regulations will empower our extension staff, because Your Excellency, when we remove the agencies like UCD and others, we agreed that we empower one regulatory system through the extension system.
Mombasa tengo kura na kwinshi abo kuba batamwe bateka ngenda kwito kureberaho Rwanda hari munonga na Mombasa okushara Uganda yita hehe abantu bana batwara amajyana Mombasa bakaguza beyinungi okutara n'aba Kenya so eto kuteeka ngu ba brokers abo bonito tukubero nanda munyine experience wa director okumara emyaka 10 ari directive factora
ikindi n'echa amashanyarazi your excellency amashanyarazi aha mu Uganda ngana tusobodi very expensive because no nyine factory ya size yangi in Kenya ni wani sasura dora almost one factory dore ntwaro mukaba equivalent which is about 200 million in umeme 220 230 250 the same size of the factory here in Kenya someone is paying about $32,000 anyoni sasura 6 ndio kama sasa kitu agangai
Umunyishenjero kazahabwa bushenyi Anet Katsime Mugisha yasima President Museveni ahabwo kwija bushenyi okurenduri abahinji b'amajani
kandi ekintu cy'amajani eki tumazire nacho almost omwaka itwe nka members ba parliament abakurwa mu region zezi mu region eje yankore nangwa na Kigezi nangwa na Toro na Northern Uganda na Central Uganda tukaraisinga issue ya majani eji afro parliament omu committees zitu radios turukuhurira kubi okureba ngu amajani be y'amajani ekaza hansi.
President Museveni yaraganisa kuhereza obuhumbi 320 okuyamba amabanja g'abantu abahira amajani government ababedi na nabaza factory amakuru agagasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.
Webale Abraham Muganzi wa Murubushenyi abanyamyoga omukibina cha NRM erizoba batongoza ekishani cha President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ekirukujira kukoresebwa mu karuru Agacencwire Jime Muhumzo muri Kampala haine birukira
basabane banyabose kuri tarejeno agenda okulaga ekifaananyi ekitongole
obwe abine entebeekanisa z'okwesimba hawa President bari kugumuza mu kuya empapura abanyamyogo mu kibina cha NRM bashohoze ekishani cha President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ekirakoresebwa mu karuru k'2026 akariyoni kabindabinda.
We don't respect our cultures, we will be nobody. We have got to respect our cultures. It's very, very important. And it unites us. But I don't want to see people using it to divide us.
Ahari ababesimbira handengo zitari zimwe na zimwe basha gukoresa ebigambo ebitari kutanisa abantu no kureta hengungu omutima y'abatezi bakaruru.
There are quite a lot of details about NRM that you cannot easily see when you are crowded with mediocrity, when you are crowded with all sorts of unnecessary things. NRM is a party for the people and it gets its mandate from the people.
Ebintu byara bikozero ko ngati kitwere no kwerengu abanyuganda bayongera habutungi bwabo abanyuganda babingo bworo omumaka gabo abanyuganda bagira entasi kureba ngo myaka yo maisho ebitu tuje byora tubirindege
ahamshango eyarjuro mu karura kahwire Honorable Mwine Mpaka MP wa Mbara City South, Honorable Julius Tsime Karuhanga MP wa Rwampara East, Moses Kahima wa Ruhama East n'abandi bahambwa nkabasinguzo kwate bendera ya NRM ombyanga byabo.
Cyayoreka ngo akarukitu kakasinga omushango bagubinga so ni sima abantu bona abambara City South ni sima kibina cyita cya ni bakura karuraka ni sima buri omwe aba security abamahurire buri omwe wa participate nyoro mu karuraka kandi hati yo nzo mu karuru k'ekibina kebina byona so ntubashaba ebibireho byona musasirane
twiciriza ningo by'akaruru bikahwa tugaruke twataga ninkishemwe kenyine yemwe za yenaremo turunda n'abantu babe bamwe tureke kubabaganisamo tureke kubaha amasiko gatariho tubase okureba ngo twakorera ekibina cyitwa cya yenaremo
gasha kwa Jime Muhumza.
Umuganda makuru w'umunyeshenjero wa Mbara City North Dr. Robert Rukarumwesugwa yaranjira okugaruka kwesimba hantebe y'umunyeshenjero ahabwa Mbara City North. Ogunagira ngo okwesimba hantebe ya Central Executive Committee yabukwasa hansi okwetebekanisiza ako bunyeshenjero.
Unfortunately, some of these people akapande bakasomye bibi.
Honorable Robert Mwesigwa Rukari okurangira okwargaruka kwesimba atine kibina cy'ubutegetsi cyona yabigambira mu rukiko rwayikwamo abanyamakuru
kwija kwakanse ibite bya NRM konka nachwam kwija independent ahantebeji kandi imanya inza kutsinga hatarum shonga yona kanyenda kwebaza abanyambara abwo buteka ubutwire nabo kandi tugumizemo na program zitu eziturantukora mugambira abo abantu bita bakutwagira nangwa nabatakutwagira ngurukara ryaha kandi nazagumizamo kwesimba kamemba wa parliament wa Mbarasitema
okuru General Dr. Robert Mwesigwa Rukari akatwokire ko kuruga amuramwa
n'ekintu kihano uri umwebembezi nanonda kwebembera na tribunal kandi yakora byamo okaterera karuru kawe katera nanga kuko mu register bakuregister injire ngo otere cyangire hati abana baro yabutwabe twine buriya babene bacondoza bene bashata imi ya NRM bene bakora busha kontantu basasa icya kabiri ngaburemba 1 ekatera ubururu diara fomero mukaye yobururu igana kagana mwene tubabwitaho ngo babuterane ngo tumayiruza sezargire so nimba sasa semyanya ni minji nebintu nibinji
omunyishenjero Robert abira isimbere na karuru kogarka kujwekera abashubuzi arengo ra Central Executive Committee ebinji barukumanyanka sek
konka obu nachwamo myenda kwija independent kandi ndirikada tindu kubasa kugumizamu no kugira ngo mbe candidate akachiko kakuru ka NRM kandi nija independent nahabwejo nachwamo ngo intebejo ngerjeho yo kwija akachiko ka NRM akakuru akabashubuzi omu komite y'abakweta seka
obururu obwatirwe obwa NRM primaries arengura abanyishenjera 2016 bikwezi kwa mushanje mu mwaka 2025 abambara City North constituency bakashaba Chris nuwe yarangirirwe nk'umusinguzi ogwakija yakoratwa Dr. Robert Rukari Sime Michael akiyaho bururu 2019 nabande bakorataho aba TV West ni Senyomo Gideon aho mrimbar
Webarese nyomo Gideon abesimbere kwatira NRM bendera habumyishenjero wantunga mu municipality bakahakanisa nshami ya koti ya NRM kugarukamo akaruru abantu bagira ngo uhensha mu yakaciko hine myanya taratire umuntu